Good afternoon, hustlers! Welcome to the game show where every survey is your play. This is Hustle Says! This game show is powered by Hustle PH Community. Hustle PH is the first local survey app that features games where you can play, answer missions, and earn cash along the way. Real answers, real data, real hustle. So I am Gia, your host for this day. So, at dahil kakatapos lang ng Father's Day, ipapaglaban ng ating contestants ang dignidad ng kanilang mga ama. Give a round of applause! Let's meet our contestants from Kalinangan Dance Troupe. Oh, wow! Okay. And our contestants from PUP Broad Circle. Oh! So, let's start off our introduction. Kalinangan Dance Troupe, anong masasabi nyo and share to us your names.
Hi, my name is Harry and I am the secretary of Kalinangan Dance Troupe.
Hi, good day. I am Bernadette Abella, the former president of the Kalinangan Dance.
Hello everyone, this is KB Tirrian, the currently president of KB.
Okay. Bigyan nyo nga kami ng background of your organization.
Our organization was founded in PUP Manila way back 50 years ago. And we are the current folk dance troupe ensemble performing inside and outside school. Not just folk dance, but we're also performing contemporary and interpretative dances po.
Parang sa nakita nyo naman kanina, may mga poses pa sila. So, anong masasabi nyo to your enemies?
Hello, PUP Broad.
Hello po.
Manalo matalo. Pahati ng cash prize.
Naghahatian mo sila, guys. So, hopefully, magpahati si PUP Broad Circle. So, PUP Broad Circle, magpakilala nga kayo.
Good afternoon, I'm Joel Anahed, the current president of PUP Broad Circle.
Hi, hello, mabuhay. My name is Margaret Angler F. Kapongkol, PUP Broad Circle core member.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am the current Associate Director of the Research and Content Committee of the PUP Broad Circle.
Okay. Okay, bigyan nyo nga kami ng parang insight to the background of your organization.
So, PUP Broad Circle is the premier academic organization of the College of Communication at the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, and we are serving the university for 22 years now, of course, with our tagline, Talent, Passion, and Arts.
Wow, talent, passion, and arts. Bigyan nyo nga ng talent sila. Ano bang masasabi nyo sa enemy nyo today?
Send Gcash na lang.
Naghatian talaga. Okay. Wow, mukhang game na ang ating mga contestants for today's game. So wag na natin patagalin. Here are our mechanics.
2 teams of 3 members fight for the spot. The round is determined by the playing team that gets to answer the top or higher answer in the hustle board. The team with a higher value chooses hustle or hands off. Hustle, they play the round. Hands off, they give the challenge to the opposing team to complete the board. The playing team gets only 3 wrong answers before the other team gets a chance to steal all the points off the board. The team that garners the higher points in rounds 1 and 2 advances and gets to play the final round, the Round Crush.
Ng higher points, the winning team gets 5,000 pesos and a chance to play the final round, while the losing team will still win 3,000 pesos. At para sa mga ating viewers, tumutok lang kayo dyan. Kasi, you might chance din kayong manalo. Buksan ang Hustle PH app at maglalabas kami ng one survey-based question that you can answer and earn your raffle draw. We will be announcing the winners after our first break. Okay, so game proper. Team 1, are you ready?
Yes!
Team 2, are you ready?
Ready na!
Hello. Let's start round 1. Sinurvey namin ang 1,000 hustlers sa tanong ni Astro na Mga ginagawa ni tatay na nakakahiya kapag may bisita. Go! Oh, wait lang. 3, 2, 1, go! I think nauna si Kalinangan dance troupe.
Nagmamaoy po.
Let's play the board! Nagmamaoy! Oh! Top! So, do you guys want to hustle or hands off?
Hustle.
Okay. Okay. So, uulitin ko. Mga ginagawa ni tatay na nakakahiyang kapag may bisita.
Nangaaway.
Nangaaway? Play the board! Oh! You guys have 2 more chances. Mga ginagawa ni tatay na nakakaya kapag may bisita, go!
Naguhubad ng damit.
Naguhubad ng damit? Wrong answer pa din. So, our team from POP Broad Circle, pwede na kayo mag-huddle up. So, 1 more chance. Mga ginagawa ni tatay na nakakaya kapag may bisita.
Inaaway si nanay.
Inaaway si nanay. Mali pa din! I'm so sorry, guys. So, let's go to PUP Broad Circle. You guys have the chance to steal all the points from Kalinangan Dance Troupe. So, mga ginagawa ni tatay na nakakaya kapag may bisita. Go.
Nagjo-joke or nagdada-jokes.
Nagdada jokes. Nakakaya ba yun, guys? Wow! Nakakuha sila. That means all the points from the other team goes to our PUP Broad Circle. Thank you so much, PUP Broad Circle. Nanalo sila for round 1. At dahil walang nakatapos sa ating hustle board, viewers, nasa inyo ang chance to win another prize. Viewers from across platform, comment down below kung ano sa tingin nyo ang tamang sagot na kukumpleto sa ating survey board. Sa ating pagbabalik, we will reveal the answers and will continue our second round. Congratulations to our quick break and viewer winners! But of course, hindi pa dyan nagtatapos ang chance yung manalo because we have your round 2 as well. Again, winners will be announced after the break. Hindi pa natatapos ang board. Therefore, we're back! Ano nga ba ang mga natitira sa survey board natin? 2, 4, 5, at 6. So, ang number 2, nagpapakanta at sayaw. Okay. And our fourth ay, nagsisermon. Guys, sorry palagi ako nagsisermon ni Dad. Okay. At fifth, nagkukwento. Ano bang kunikwento sa'yo ng mga fathers nyo at tatays nyo palagi? Oo. Wow! Heartthrob daw si Dad! Sa akin kung ganong kalayo daw sila naglalakad papuntang school. At ang 6, nagyayabang! Ano, nagyayabang ba sa pera? So that's our survey board, guys. To recap our points for Kalinganan Dance Group and for PUP Broad Circles, ang leading natin with 54 points ay Broad Circle, while Kalinganan with the point has points of 0 points. Sorry guys. It's okay, umiiyak sila. But don't worry, may pag-asa pa ang both teams to play in the final round as we have our round 2. But before that, may mga dad jokes ba kayo dyan?
Yes, of course.
Maglaban nga kayo guys. For our first org, PUP Broad Circle.
May joke po ako about sa mga tatay dahil Father's Day ngayon. So, ayun. Sana supportahan niyo po ako kasi kaya po talaga. And anyway, nagtanong si Baby Ulan kay Daddy Ulan.
Bakit?
Anong sabi niya?
Ano sabi niya, guys?
Ano?
Daddy, ambon ba ako?
Grabe naman sulan! Anong ilalaban niyo naman? Kalinganan dance troupe. Anong dad joke?
Ano po? Knock.
Who's there?
Mukhang tatay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Mukhang tatay, 1, 2, 3, go.
5, 6, 7, 8. Mukhang tatay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Dance troupe talaga, guys. Thank you so much to our contestants and their awesome dad jokes. So let's get on to our round 2. Ano ba? Ang sabi ni Astro, ano ang question ni Astro? Mga bagay na gagawin mo pa rin kahit bawal sabay ni tatay. Go! Okay, nauna si PUP Broad Circle.
Ang mga bagay na gagawin ko pa rin po kahit sabi ni tatay ay bawal is magjowa or mag-boyfriend.
Palagi naman yung sinasabi ni tatay. Okay, let's see the board. Wow! Okay, tama sila guys. Let's go to Kalinganan Dance Troupe. Ano masasabi nyo? Mga bagay na gagawin mo pa rin kahit sabi ni tatay ay bawal.
Sabi ni tatay, bawal ako minom ng alak, pero lasinggero ako.
Aren't we all? Wow! Okay. Since mas mataas sina Kalinganan Dance Troupe, ano ba? Are you guys hustle or hands off?
Hustle po.
Okay, hustle yung pinili nila. Again, question is, mga bagay na gagawin mo pa rin kahit bawal. Sabi ni tatay, go!
Umuwi ng gabi.
Let's see. Oh, umuwi ng gabi. You guys have 2 more chances. Mga bagay na gagawin mo pa rin kahit bawal. Sabi ni tatay, go!
Kumain ng candy.
Kumain ng candy? Mali pa din ang kumain ng candy. So get ready, PUP Broad Circle, kasi magkakaroon kayo ng tsansa if mamamali nila tong third choice. Mga bagay na gagawin mo pa rin kahit bawal, sabi ni tatay. Go.
Sabi ni tatay, bawal ako mag-cutting.
Bawal daw mag-cutting? Let's see the board. Mali pa din, guys! Now, we go to PUP Broad Circle and see their answers. Pero before that, anong answers nyo individually? Ito nga.
Siguro po yung answer ko is yung bawal pong magdala ng boyfriend sa bahay. Just like what I've answered kanina.
Okay. Pero minsan, di ba, parang bawal din umuwi ng gabi, and then kasi nakikita mo, baka makita nila may boyfriend ka. So, ikaw naman.
Sa akin kasi, nasaway ko na siya. Nasaway ko na siya. So, ang rule ng daddy ko dati is na wag magpa-piercing. So, dami na siya.
Pero ang dami nyo namang
nasaway ko na po siya.
piercing.
Nasaway ko na po siya ng matagal.
Okay.
Ate Jewel.
So for my answer naman po, siguro bawal magpatato.
Bawal magpatattoo. Okay. So, ano bang final answer nyo, PUP Broad Circle?
Final answer po ni PUP Broad Circle is bawal magpatato.
Okay. Tingnan natin kung bawal magpatato is in the survey board. Mali din! Mali ang answer nila. That means our winner for today is Team Kalinangan with 56 points! Thank you so much, PUP Broad Circle. So, meron ba kayong gustong sabihin? Mag-shout out Or meron ba kayong mga loved ones over there? Baka gusto niyong sabihan ng Happy Father's Day!
Yeah, first of all, happy Father's Day and thank you so much to Hustle Says for this opportunity. And also, I would like to mention, of course, PP Broad Circle. And if you would like to visit or follow us, you may follow us on Facebook, X, Instagram, and YouTube at PP Broad Circle. Thank you!
Thank you! Still, congratulations to PUP Broad Circle na mag-uwi ng 3,000 pesos! Wow! Okay. Again, dahil walang nakatapos sa ating hustle board, viewers, nasa inyo ang chance to win another prize. Viewers from across platforms, comment down below kung ano sa tingin nyo ang tamang sagot na kukumpleto sa ating survey board. Sa ating pagbabalik, we will reveal the answers and will continue our last round. There you have it, our quick break and viewer winners for round 2. There will still be a final round for our quick break players, kaya tutok lang kayo mga hustlers. Pero, wag na natin patagalin. Hustle! Unlock the data. For our first one is gumala or lumabas. Okay, for our fourth ay magpuyat. For our fifth is mag-cellphone habang napupuyat ba? Okay. And then 6 is maglaro. Okay. So that's our round 2 quick break answers. Let's call on again Kalinangan Dance Troupe from TUP. For the final round, you may win another prize amounting to 7,000 pesos, which amounts to 12K. 12K. Ibibigay namin ang tanong pati ang mga sagot. Pero what you need to do is correctly rank all the answers from the most answered to least. Bawal magkamali sa round na to, and you have 3 minutes to make up your mind. If you fail, you still have an additional 1K of earnings naman. Okay, guys. Are you guys ready? Mag-post nga ulit kayo dyan. Okay, thank you so much, team. Here is our board. And ang prompt natin today ay mga regalo na laging binibigay kay tatay. Okay, are you guys ready? For those 3 minutes. Round starts now.
Parang
dapat ito talaga.
doon daw ako sa akin.
Ito yung one or two. I-one, two.
Hindi ko ito yung one.
Ang hirap magkakaiba ng tatay.
Iba kasi tayo pinag-regalo eh.
Pero
Ito lang
kasi
ganito.
mostly gusto ng mga tatay.
Oh, pero
Pero feeling ko hindi to pwede maging top 3. Kasi minsan hindi siya avoid na.
feeling ko kung tatay yung in-service.
2 minutes left.
Oo, yan yung top 1 pag tatay yung Ito okay lang.
Sige, top 1 na to. Top 1. Ito to na natin to. Or ito talaga yung 2.
Ito 2. Madami ako nakikita ng
Oh, sige, 2. Pero marami din nagkaano na ito. Is 1. Feeling ko pagpaitin natin. Ito yung 4, ito yung 5.
Ah, 5 na lang.
5, 4, 5.
Ano yan?
Ito, sige, 5.
5 yan. 5,
Sure.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Di ba consider pagkain yung money? Hindi, okay.
Wala naman nagre-reglabo sa ganun.
Oo, plus na yung pagkain.
Mali yung
Hindi,
pero
yan.
1 talaga.
Hindi ko ma-interview yung tatay ko para lang sa go.
Dito ko na pero ano
1 minute left.
Pero mo tatay, hindi ko sa buong.
Oo nga. Pwede.
Okay. Final answer na po.
Wow, final answer na daw, guys. Time to reveal. Since time's up na at sure na si Kalinangan Dance Troupe, here is their final answer. First, pera. Second, relo. Third, alak. Fourth, wallet. Fifth, damit. At sixth, pagkain. Tama ba kayo mga sagot nila? Pero first of all, ano bang strategy nyo? Ba't ganito yung pinaggagawa nyo?
Ano po? Hindi ko po din alam eh.
Kanina sinabi nyo, iba-iba yung tatay nyo.
Iba mo po kasi kami ng tatay. Tapos, pero isa lang tatay ko baka Tapos, feeling po kasi namin, puro tatay yung nagsagot ng survey, kaya pera po yung gusto nila. Tapos, nakita din po namin sa Facebook, pag Father's Day, madaming nagpo-post ng, binibigyan nila ng relo yung tatay nila.
Oo, tama.
Tapos, ito pong 3 to 6, bahala na si Lord. Lord,
Lord, guide them daw po. So, kininong instinct yung pinakasinundan nyo for this ranking?
actually po, hati-hati po kami.
Okay, combination
Opo.
na lang daw. Kaya Lord, patawadin mo sila baka hindi
Yes.
daw nila makuha yung pera. Okay. So, do we have to reveal the board? Let's reveal the board na nga, guys. Oh, tama! Pera! Second ay... Damit! Oh, no! Okay, guys, let's reveal the rest of the board. Third is... Relo! Fourth is... Alak. Fifth is... Pagkain. And six is... Wallet. Oh, guys, it's all right. Still, I still congratulate our team Kalinangan Dance Troupe from TUP. Mag-uwi kayo ng 6,000 pesos. May gusto ba kayong pasalamatan, i-shout out? Happy Father's Day?
Of course, we would like to greet every fathers and incoming fathers out there that happy Father's Day. Also, thank you to Hustle PH for inviting us and giving this opportunity to also showcase our organization. To our coach, thank you so much din po sa pagpayag. Sumali kami dito. And to our parents, friends, artista na kami. Like nyo to.
Wow, new daw. Ang mga nagwagi naman sa ating quick break will be revealed after this episode. And there you have it, folks! Sa susunod na episode, new set of university organization ang maglalaro sa hamot na sasagutin ang pulso ng 1,000 survey respondents sa buong Pilipinas. Powered by Hustle PH, the first local survey app that features games where you can play, answer missions, and earn cash along the way. Real answers, real data, real hustle. And I am Dia, your host for Hustle Says, where